Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So I am on filming on the GoPro, but for today's video I'm gonna do a simple daily driving video. It's gonna be, the theme of this video is gonna be daily driving a CATLESS Accord V6, and let's just get right into it with the startup. So it's not gonna be a cold start because I did just come back from work, but it'll still give you an idea of how it is on startup. There we go. Damn, you're acting up. All right, well, so that's how it sounds on a startup. It was a warm start because like I said, I just got off of work. But anyways, as you can see on the dash, there are no lights, and that's a beautiful thing. When you have a Honda, cherish those moments. All right, so for this first clip, I'm gonna be daily driving as if you're shifting pretty conservatively, aka around 2.5k RPM or 3, and we're gonna start off with the windows closed. And like I said, this is kind of basically how it would sound if the car was CATLESS. My car is not exactly CATLESS, but it has the RV6 high flow pre-cats, and it has the RV6 J-pipe. So it's California's version of CATLESS. So just keep that in mind. But here's gonna be the first clip. I'm gonna be shifting around 2,500 or 3,000, and I'm gonna shut up now so you guys can hear. So that was with the windows closed and about 25 to 30% throttle. So for this next clip, we're gonna be doing about the same amount of throttle, but with the windows down. Alright, so as you guys can hear, even with the windows down, shifting around 2.5 to 3k is still pretty manageable. I'm not gonna lie, in California a cop will still probably turn their head hearing that, but it's not too loud, not crazy loud, at least in my opinion. one thing I will say is in the higher gears like 4, 5, and 6, you could definitely hear that it's louder in tone because the RPMs don't go up as fast. But other than that, still pretty manageable. Now for this next clip, we are gonna be doing about 35 to 40% throttle, and I'm gonna be going to 35 to 4,000. And this is gonna be in cabin. Once we get past this truck and the construction. Also, the reason I'm not going past 4,000 is because of my clutch. It's about halfway broken in, but I don't wanna sacrifice life of the clutch for short-term pleasure, so yeah. Alright, hopefully we can get some like from a stop, because that'll be much more accurate to how it is driving this 35% or 40 up to 4,000. Let's try it. We gotta stop right here, so got a little sneak peek. That wasn't the greatest, and my shifting's rough still because still getting used to how the clutch feels right now, but we'll do one more and then we'll go windows down. Hopefully this isn't too long. Oh, this truck, he's pulling up on me, but I can't run you, I'm sorry. I want to though. Let's try one more. Please, light, hurry up. He's probably gonna gun it, but I can't chase him, so let's just keep on with the video. Alright, I think that's a good representation, so let's do windows down. I'm gonna crack it just a little bit. Not much space with this Explorer in front of me, but I'm only thanking God that it's not a cop. Let's do some rev match, rev match. Let's do a little bit more. As you guys can hear, it's a lot more raspy and aggressive, and yes, those are my brakes screeching in the background. I need to change them, but I don't know how I feel about the rasps yet. Let me know in the comments below, but I'm not a huge fan of it, so I might have to get a resonator. Video's coming to a conclusion. I just wanted to do a few closing thoughts. Also, someone's music's super loud. Anyways, I know a lot of people want to have races, me racing other cars with my Accord now that's modded, and I do as well. Of course, trust me, I do want to do more runs and stuff like that, but we have to be patient because you know, the clutch is halfway broken in, and I don't want to sacrifice life on the clutch for some temporary, you know, some temporary runs and like stuff that won't be worth it in the end. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna get some runs in, and I hope you guys just like the video, because I know it's just driving, but it gives you a good idea how my car is now that it's modded. Every time I drive the car now, I risk getting pulled over, and that's not even an exaggeration, because the car is definitely way too loud for its own good. And what is this guy doing? I swear to God. I can't even go over 4, so like it's not fun running anyone. Anyways, rant aside, I'm steadily breaking in the clutch every day. I got some runs lined up. They're gonna be really good ones, ranging from K20, K24 engines, or other V6s, potentially some V8s. But anyways, I hope you guys liked the video. There's gonna be a lot more content to come, more exciting for sure, and I hope that you guys decide to follow along on the journey, because we're not even halfway done with what I have planned for the Accord. So just stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next upload.